Question 2, we're given a function f such that x maps onto 5 minus 3x. So if I put an x in, 5 minus 3x comes out. So f of minus 1 means I want to substitute this minus 1 in for x. So it's 5 minus 3 lots of minus 1. So careful with the double bracket, the double negative here. It's going to become 5 plus 3 to give you an answer of 8. F to the power of minus 1 is the inverse function of x. So I don't know, different teachers done it different ways. If you did it with me, we talked about function machines. We talked about an x going in and what would come out. So x went in, the first thing that happened was that it was times by minus 3. Okay, x times minus 3 plus 5, and then a y came out. So if we want to do the inverse function, means we want to go back the other way. So if I put an x in here, I'm going to get x minus 5, because it's the opposite. And then instead of times by minus 3, I'm going to get divide by minus 3. So we'd get x minus 5 all divided by minus 3. X minus 5 all over minus 3. Or, okay, if you divide it all by minus 1, get rid of this minus sign here, you could write that as minus x plus 5 over 3, which is the same as 5 minus x all over 3. So any of these would have been fine. Okay. What about f to the minus 1 of 8? Well, you could do it long-winded. If we did it the full way around, we'd put the 8 into the inverse function over here. So it'd be 5 minus 8 divided by 3, which would be minus 3 divided by 3, which would be minus 1. And then if I put the minus 1 into the original function of f, it's going to be 5 minus 3 lots of minus 1. 5 minus 3 lots of minus 1 is the same as 5 plus 3, which is the same as 8. So if you take a number, put it into the inverse function and put it back into a normal function, you get the same number you had to start with, which is just 8.